everybody. Today we're going to work on our triceps. This is a hot spot, especially for women. As they get older, they want to work on the flat part on the bottom of their arm, which is your tricep. And of course for men, it's also nice to have that tight, and when you start to get that a little cut, it looks good. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a couple different exercises. Most of these are going to be targeted for what you could do at home. Alright, the first one we're going to do, grab on a couch, any edge of a chair if you want. We're going to do dips. Alright, I want you guys to do about 25 of them. Alright, concentrate on keeping your back towards the sofa. Alright, and then coming down. Try to level out your elbow to your shoulder so it's a straight line. If you can't come that low and your shoulders start to hurt, that's fine if you come up a little. Okay, big thing is you want to come up and lock your arms, come all the way down. If you can, come up, come down. So it's 3, 4. You'll start to feel the inside of your tricep. Okay? 7, 8. If you come up, squeeze if you can. Squeeze, come down. Up, squeeze, come down. Up, up, up. So I want you guys to do 25 of those, and you'll see they'll start to work on the inside of your tricep. Alright guys, for our next exercise we're going to work more on the tricep on the outside. Okay, now what I've done is this gallon of water weighs about 8.5 pounds. Okay, so this is good to start off with, you know, especially if you're starting at home. Everybody's got a milk jug or a water jug. Alright, now I want you to concentrate, and what we're going to do is we're going to do 25 of these. I want you to concentrate on keeping this, again, shoulder and your elbow in line. Okay, and all I want you to do, and you'll see here, all you squeeze out and lock that elbow straight. Lock and squeeze. Do 25 of them. 2, 3. Okay, make sure as you get tired your shoulder may start to want to give back a little, but don't. Keep it in line, keep it tight, and keep that elbow locked. If you want to keep your hand there for support, that's good. Just make sure you come down all the way, go up, lock and squeeze. Down all the way, lock and squeeze. Down all the way, lock and squeeze. Now you can bump up the weight if you want. You can, you know, go out, buy some weights, but this is a good way to start. Alright? Once you're done with 25 of those, you don't have to go fast. Just make sure you go down, stretch all the way down. Go all the way up and lock and squeeze. Then you can start on the other arm. Same thing. Down, lock and squeeze. Lock and squeeze. Okay? Lock and squeeze. Now you don't have to have your head hanging out like I do. I just have it like that. You can have it straight out. You can move up a little, leave it here. As long as you have that free movement, you should be fine. Okay? And you guys can squeeze out 25 of these. Get 25 out. Alright, now this is going to be non-stop. I don't want you guys to take any breaks in between except when you're moving maybe your furniture around or getting into position. Okay? So I want you guys to do 25 of each. Go slow, lock and squeeze each time. Okay, the next one we're going to do is going to be more of the outside and a little bit more of the inside. Okay, we're going to use our same milk jug. I'm kneeling down. You can be standing up on a seat as long as you have something level playing to your elbow to rest on. Okay, and again you're going to concentrate, keeping that elbow, shoulder straight, and all you want to do is toss it back. Lock and squeeze. Come back, lock and squeeze. Don't do this because then you're just rotating your shoulder and that's not doing anything. Okay, leave it there. It's always good to go in front of a mirror if you can, so you can see your positioning and you see how your elbow is straight to your shoulder. Okay, 25 of those out. Lock and squeeze. Lock and squeeze. Keep that shoulder straight. Okay? Shoulder straight. Come back in. Back out. You want a full stretch because when you're starting these, you want to stretch your muscle all the way in, all the way out. Squeeze. Again, if you want more advanced, do more and hold longer. Holding longer will help you grow and get more blood into that muscle so it feels better. Okay? I want you guys to do 25 of that. As soon as you're done with the 25 of those, you can go over, I'm going to rotate with the other arm Same thing. Elbow, shoulder, go out. Milk jug, 8.5 pounds, great to start off with because you can do your reps and do your movements correctly and you'll learn exactly how to do them. So sometimes people grab heavy weight and they try to do too much and their form gets all wrong and you start to hurt yourself. So make sure, elbow, shoulder, out, in, lock and squeeze, lock and squeeze, lock and squeeze. Okay, do 25 of these non-stop. You guys are doing great. Don't stop in between each exercise except to move around. Next one we're going to do is called a modified push-up. Alright? Now this is okay if you're starting off, or guys, hey, you know what, if you can't do a push-up all the way and you can't do it correctly, don't hurt yourself. Start like this, strengthen out your triceps, your shoulders, and your chest. But we're going to work out more now. Stick to our triceps. Keep your hands inside, a little closer. Okay? All I want you to do is come down low enough, don't touch the floor, and then come back up. When you come back up, squeeze those muscles. Remember, lock and squeeze. You're going to feel them more on the inside. That's what we want to do. We want to feel that inside squeeze. Come down, come up, come down. Not a speed of test. Just about accuracy, how good you do these. Down, up, squeeze, squeeze. You'll start to feel them. You'll do 5, 6 of them. They'll start to hurt. You're going to do 25 of them. You can't do 25 in a row. Stop for a second. Continue, but do 25 of them. Okay? All the way down, all the way up. If you want to get more modified, put your hands more inside. That's fine. If you can handle it, do it. In, out, squeeze those triceps each time. Okay? Alright, you guys should be beat after those push-ups, but if you've gotten this far, you're almost done and you guys are doing phenomenal. Okay? Now we're going to stay on the mat. We're going to again work on those triceps. This is going to work. You're going to see it now on the outside and on the inside. Stay with our milk jug. Milk jug's a great weight to start with. Alright? I want you guys to do, keep that elbow and shoulder straight. Okay? I want you guys to lift it up. Lock and squeeze. Okay? Come down. 2, 3. Let the weight come down. Good enough. Right around here's good. Till you feel that good stretch. All the way down. All the way up. Alright? You may have, it may be a little difficult. Slow down if you have to, but just try your best to get that weight all the way up. Lock and squeeze. Okay? Lock and squeeze. You guys, 5, 6 of them, you should already feel them. You'll feel them right here. Okay? Right there. You also start to feel the burn right outside. Okay? Do 25 of those. As soon as you're done with those, all you do is grab the weight, go on the other side. I'll do it on this side so you guys can see how it looks. Oh, if you want to hold the elbow for support, that's fine. 25 non-stop. Okay? Switch from one arm to the other. Learn the video so you can do these without watching the video and you learn them. Okay? Squeeze. Squeeze. These will get your triceps tighten up really quick. Do these for a couple days. You'll start to see the difference in your strength and how your triceps look. Just after this exercise, you'll see how tight they feel. Okay? 25 of those, all the way up, all the way down. Don't stop. You guys are doing great. Don't stop. Up, squeeze, down. Okay? 25 on each arm, and we're going to go off to the next exercise. Alright guys, if you've gotten this far, you're doing phenomenal. The last thing you want to do is the first thing we started with, is dips. Now this does not have a number count. This is until failure. You do these until you just can't anymore. Because we're just going to squeeze out everything we have out of those triceps for the rest of the workout. Everything we have left, just go. Don't stop. Just keep on squeezing them out. All the way down, all the way up, all the way down. If you pass 25, just don't stop. Don't stop. Keep squeezing them out, squeezing them out. All these exercises that you do, again, lock and squeeze each muscle. Do them as much as you can. If you get tired or bored of these, do them in reverse. Any order that you mix these out of, your triceps will be freaked out. They're, wow, you know, this isn't the way, this isn't what we're used to. So make sure, don't stop. Change up your exercise if you want to. Change up the routine and push and squeeze each one. It's not about speed. It's about how your form is and how good it feels when you do each of them. All right, guys, don't stop and good luck.